Hi, I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. I'm here at the ARC 2017 Orlando Forum. My guest is Dave Smith, founder, CEO of Wireless Industrial Networks, or WIN. Dave, welcome to Orlando.
Thank you very much. It's been an awesome day.
Good, I'm glad you're glad to be here. We've had a great week.
I'm happy.
We were discussing earlier, I think is an important point to share, kind of where wireless sensing is and the industrial wireless sensing, where it is in the kind of the technology life cycle.
Well, wireless is maturing as we see it. It's in a mature cycle. The sensing technology is increasing, and I see that ease of use is most important.
Okay. So how do you differentiate your new company, WIN, in that area?
Well, having a lot of experience in the wireless field and industrial automation, I felt the end user's interaction with the product was a lot more complicated than it needed to be. And so the WIN product, we have a patent specifically related to a plug-and-play technology that allows the sensor to populate itself rather quickly on the screen without configuration management or a handheld.
Okay. Can you explain that a little more?
Yes.
There's no configuration management, no handheld. How does the configuration happen?
That happens very quickly, very easily. The sensor, the patent that we have, sensor technology connects directly to the transmitter. This happens to be the transmitter. The sensor connects to this transmitter. The transmitter then announces itself very quickly to the gateway. This is the gateway. The gateway connects to your enterprise, and it populates directly to the dashboard.
So the configuration information, where's the configuration information kept?
The configuration information is in the sensor technology that's connected to this point.
Okay. And you don't need any kind of a backhaul or server on the other end to support that? How do you do that?
We support out of the gateway interface protocols, IO2 type protocols, as well as Modbus. If you want an OPC server, for example, we have a software product. That software product is a dashboard as well as a data manager. The data manager is a relational database. That relational database can propagate the data using OPC.
Okay, so what does this mean to an end user customer in terms of deploying this kind of a product in an application?
The cost savings is very high. The end user, they do not need to understand the technology from a sensor point of view. It propagates that data. For example, a temperature or a pressure that propagates that data to the screen instantaneously. There's no engineering unit ranges. They can set alarm limits. Very simple technology.
So really and you have the sensors basically plug into that device.
That's correct.
So what kind of measurements are you able to make at this point in time?
Temperature, pressure, current, vibration, humidity, those types of input sensors. The focus is inputs, not outputs.
Got it. Okay, and what kind of applications are there particular applications? Are these test applications or fixed ones or what?
It's wide range. The company's actually been in business for about 10 years with a product that was around 418 product. This is a 900 megahertz product. I bought the company with this new technology and this new product to introduce it to the market space. So customers are we have customer base that installed it in factory automation, in the food and beverage industry, in the oil and gas industry, many industries using this technology.
Okay, so this is a sub-gigahertz product.
Yes.
We didn't talk about that. So that means you're going to have some range advantages over...
Yes, we have range advantages, but penetration as well. And what I found is in the 2.4 gig, which is typical for IT, that the air is very congested, and 900 megahertz is quite free, so we have less problems with that.
Okay, that sounds very interesting, Dave. And how are you getting this to market?
ARC is a perfect opportunity to bring this to market. This is the first introduction of the product and the company, the new brand of WIN, and we want winners in our organization and winners as our customers.
Well, thank you very much for sponsoring the forum, and we really appreciate our sponsors, and we love it when new companies and new technologies come and want to display their differentiation and their new developments to the market through the forum. Dave, it's been great to have you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ARC. Thank you, Harry, for your fine work for many, many years. And here we go. We're all going to win.
I'm Harry Forbes from ARC Advisory Group. My guest has been Dave Smith, the founder and CEO of Wireless Industrial Networks, or WIN. Thanks a lot.